we are again going to draw perspective projection of a cube. Now earlier also we had drawn perspective projection of a cube. In that figure, one vertical edge of the cube was touching picture plane. Now the difference in this figure is one vertical edge of the cube will be some distance in front of the picture plane. Okay, now read the question. We are having a cube. The cube of edge is 35 mm and it said that one vertical edge of the cube has to be placed 8 mm in front of the picture plane. And at the same time, the vertical face containing that edge should be inclined 30 degree. Okay, so in order to, before that, first we can draw all the lines. It is specified that the station point is 40 mm in front of picture plane and 70 mm above the ground line. So as usual, we will be starting with our ground line. You mark locus of, line of sight or the horizon line 70 mm above the ground line. You can leave any distance you like, 20 mm gap. You can draw locus of station point and then you can draw 40 mm above the picture plane. Okay, so first we will be drawing all the 4 lines as we have done earlier. Okay, after that we have to locate first the point A1, the first vertical edge. It should be 8 mm in front of picture plane. So you mark a point 8 mm in front of picture plane. Through that you draw a light horizontal line and from there you have to start the edge A1. Now one vertical face should be inclined 30 degree to picture plane. So from this point you draw a 30 degree line and then you complete the cube. The edge of the cube is 35 mm. So first we will be drawing the cube. We will be drawing the top view of the cube above the picture plane, but one vertical edge has to be 8 mm in front of the picture plane. After that, as usual, we will be drawing its front view. Okay, the height also itself is 30 mm, so we will be drawing the front view also. We will be getting A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash and 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash. Okay, after that we can locate our station point. Station point should be 45 mm to the left of the center of the cube. So find the center and project it from there. You take 45 mm towards left side. We will be getting SP, station point. Exactly below SP, we will be getting SP dash. Okay, now as usual, we will be proceeding as we have done in the previous problems. First, we will be joining all the points of top view. A1, B2, C3, D4. All these 4 points should be joined to SP. Similarly, all these points, A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash and 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash has to be joined to SP dash. We will be doing this as we have done in the previous problems. And then we will be projecting the points as we have done earlier. So this line is touching the picture plane at this point. This is the edge joining D4. You project it downwards till it touches the line starting from D dash and 4 dash. So we'll be getting a point here. We'll be getting a point here. So this will be capital D and this will be capital 4. Okay, next we can project C3. Again, the point that is joined C3 is touching picture plane at this point. Again, project it downwards. Okay, it has to be projected till the line starting from C dash SP dash and 3 dash SP dash. So we'll be getting a point here. We'll be getting a point here. So this will be 3 and this will be capital C. Next, we can project B2. Okay, SP and B2, the line joining SP and B2 is touching here. Project it downwards. Okay, we'll be getting a point here. We'll be getting a point here. So this is capital B and this is 2. Now the specialty of A1. Now A1 is not touching picture plane. Okay, first you are as usual you have to join SP to A1, but this line is not touching picture plane. So what you have to do is after joining SP to A1, you extend that line till it touches picture plane. So you will be getting a point here. Okay, you have to project this point towards front view. Okay, again as usual I will be projecting this point towards front view, but the line joining A dash and 1 dash to SP dash, this line won't meet there. So what you have to do is you have to extend this line backwards. That is, the line joining SP dash and 1 dash should be extended backwards and it has to be projected till this line. We will be getting a point here. Again, this line also has to be extended backwards. Okay, and project to this point downwards. We'll be getting a point here. Okay, so we'll be getting capital A here. We'll be getting 1 here. Okay, so this is the specialty of this point. We have for projecting getting A1, I'll be joining SP dash to A1. I'll be extending it till picture plane and then I'll be projecting that. For getting these points, I have to extend this line backwards. Once I'm getting all these points, you join as we have done the previous problems. First you have to join the outermost points. join A and D, join AB, then B2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4D, and then check the visibility and join other lines. Okay, A1 will be visible, C3 will be invisible, and base will be invisible, and the top face will be visible. So we'll be getting a figure like this at the end. Okay.